Welcome back to Diecast Speedway, the channel where we bring scale collectibles to life. I would like to start off by saying thank you to my Lord and Savior, Jesus Christ, for going to the cross for us, for his love, his sacrifice, and his grace. Now let's continue with the show. Let's get it out of the box and onto the turntable. Oh yeah, that mint green metallic paint is beautiful. The shine on this thing is crazy. Jada really did their thing with this one. The stance is low, the fitment is perfect, and it just looks fast sitting still. Check out those chrome wheels with the drilled brake rotors and red calipers behind them. That contrast against the green paint is clean. The body lines on the R34 are aggressive but smooth, and Jada captured that perfectly in 1/24 scale. Up front, you've got that iconic GTR badge sitting in the grille, crystal clear headlights, and an aggressive front bumper. And look at that tow hook detail in the lower grille. That's the little stuff that makes this feel premium. Now let's pop the hood. Man, look at that engine detail. You've got the red engine parts, silver piping, and all the molded components that bring this build to life. This isn't just a toy, this is a display piece. Let's open the door and check out the interior. Black racing style seats, detailed steering wheel, center console, shifter, pedals. Everything you'd expect from Brian's legendary R34. Jada really paid attention here. Now around the back, those classic Skyline taillights pop. You've got the Skyline lettering across the bumper, the little R badge on the trunk, and that turbocharged license plate from Jada Toys. That's pure Fast and Furious energy. And check out the dual chrome exhaust tips. They sit perfectly and give the rear end that aggressive finish. Let's pop the trunk too. Nice and clean back here. Another working feature that just adds to the realism. From the paint, to the wheels, to the opening hood, doors, and trunk, Jada really delivered on Brian's R34. This is one of those die casts that belongs front and center in any Fast and Furious collection. So that's all we have for today, folks. But stay tuned for next time. We'll be showing this Honda S2000 that I believe belonged to Suki from the Fast and Furious lineup. You won't want to miss it. Now, if you've enjoyed this video, cruise on down and check out our other cool rides that we have right here on Diecast Speedway, where we do all the unboxing so that you don't have to. So until next time, keep die casting, and God bless.